Hey guys, I'm going to be pretty quick in this video. If you need more details, more examples for it to go a little bit slower, I'm going to link a video right over there. Also, I'm going to link a couple other videos. Here we are finding the sides using sine, cosine, and tangent. If you need to find the angle, I have a video linked over there. Also, if you need an extra review on sine, cosine, and tangent, I will also link a video over there. Okay, so what are we doing? Sine, cosine, and tangent. We use this with right triangles. Whatever angle you are using, the one across from it is opposite, next to it is adjacent, and the one across from the right angle is always the hypotenuse, okay? Then we use the ratios of these different sides to help us find answers, okay? An easy way to remember it, SOHCAHTOA, it uses the first letter of all of these things, okay? All right, let's do a couple problems. So here we go. The angle that we are working with right now is 55 degrees. So I need to know this side. Since it's right next to my angle, this is the adjacent side. And since this one is across from my right angle, this is the hypotenuse, okay? So which one of my buddies here uses adjacent and hypotenuse? Well, it is cosine, okay? So how do we do this? We say the cosine of 55 degrees is equal to A, adjacent, which is x, that's what I don't know, over my hypotenuse, which is 24. Okay, now I need to get x alone, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 24. So I get 24 times the cosine of 55 degrees equals x. Okay, now what? Now I can use my calculator, all right? Make sure your calculator is in degrees, not radians. You'll get a different answer, so make sure. All right, I'm just gonna plug this in here 24 times. You should have a cosine button on your calculator. 55 degrees. And I get 13.765, blah, 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 keeps going. I'm gonna round to 2 decimal places, round to wherever your teacher says. So I'm going to get x equals 13.77. So that is the length of this side here, okay? Oh my gosh, wasn't that amazing? All right, let's do one more. Okay, this time the angle that I am using is 25 degrees, okay? The one across from my hypotenuse is my unknown. Sorry, across from my right angle is the hypotenuse. And this one is across, so this is my opposite. Okay, so which one uses opposite and hypotenuse? Sine. So the sine of 25 degrees is equal to opposite, which is 17, over hypotenuse, okay? So this one is very similar, except the variable's on the bottom, so it takes a tiny bit longer, but not too bad. So I just need to get that variable alone. So first I'm gonna multiply both sides by m. So I'm left with m times the sine of 25 degrees equals 17. Now I need m alone, so I'm gonna multiply by the sine of 25 degrees on both sides, okay? As long as I do it on both sides, we're good. All right, so now I'm left with m equals 17 over the sine of 25 degrees. How many times have I written that now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Okay. So I got 17 divided by, there's my sine button, 25 degrees. And I end up with m equals 40 point, when I round, I get 40.23. All right, that's it. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. Get your homework done and have dreams of math that aren't nightmares.